Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. And thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be using the Lovely You bundle to create this card. And in the Lovely You bundle, it's found here on page 169. You get the stamp set plus the Lovely Labels Pick a Punch, and that's what we're going to be using today. Now, the hardest part of making these videos is, what am I going to do? I find a lot of inspiration here in the catalogs. In fact, this is the card that I'm going to make today with you. And that's perfectly great. Use this as an inspiration. Use the layout, change up the stamps, or use the colors, or just use the stamp set. Let this be the launching point of your card. So let's make a card. Here is my rendition of that catalog card. And the base is Gorgeous Grape. Then I have Whisper White. Then I have Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, and another Whisper White. So let's get going. Set that aside. Now this Whisper White, I've cut 5.5 by 3.5. And I'm going to start stamping with Gorgeous Grape. Now I've tried to make it symmetrical, but it doesn't have to be. Remember, you're the artist. You do you. Oh, my chamois. Now, since I have the Gorgeous Grape already out, this is Whisper White, and I cut it at 1/2 inch by 2 3/4 inch. And I'm going to put the sentiment again in Gorgeous Grape, and sorry, my head's going to be in the way because I want to line this up. Not bad. And you know what? If you don't like it, you paid for both sides of the cardstock. Flip it over and do it again. Let's see if I can get a little bit better. Sorry, my head's in the way. Nope, first one was best. We'll keep that one. All right, let's move on to our next in color, and this is Magenta Madness. Use this little flower. We'll set him aside. Bring this back down. There we go. Wipe it off. Definitely close this because I would put my finger in it. Next color we're going to be using is Bumble Bee. There we go. One down here. I kind of want it to look like a bouquet with just these pretty flowers coming out of everywhere. Give it that nice summery look to it. Okay, next color, another in color is Seaside Spray. I'm going to be using the leaves. One there. Get one over here. And let's shoot for here. All right. And then the last one I'm going to be using is the Just Jade in color. And for this one, I found that the green, the first stamp was too bold. So I stamped it off twice, and now I'll come in and add it. So again, stamp off twice, come over and add it to my bouquet. Let's add a couple more. Stamp off 3 times. Let's get it right there. And I think one more. So stamp off twice, and let's get right in here. That's good. I like it. Okay, set all my inks aside. Wipe this off with my chamois. All right, let's start building it. I'm going to be using the white baker's twine, and all I'm going to do is just wrap it around a couple of times. So on the back side, I'm going to be using our Stampin' Seal. Quick, just a little piece of glue right there, and that will help me keep the twine right there. And then I'm just going to wrap it around a couple times. Come to the back, find that glue. Adjust it a little bit. There we go. Let me bring in the gorgeous grape. Again, cut at 5 1/2. You can score or fold in half at 4 1/4. Get your bone folder out and burnish that. Whoa! There goes my adhesive. You didn't think it was going to be crazy, did you? Oh, not my bones, just my chair. Add some adhesive to the back. And if you notice, you drag and then flick it towards you. And that'll give a nice cut of the adhesive. Okay, I'm going to center this in the middle of the card. There you go. And now let's add our banners. So this is the Misty Moonlight paper, and I cut this at 3, what did I cut this one up? Where's my, I could give it to you in centimeters. Cut it 4, put this back. 4 by 1 inch. And with this punch, I used my Sharpie and I labeled this wider one is 1 inch, down to 3/4, down to 1/2. So then I don't have to keep looking it up of what will fit inside the punch. So this is 1 inch by 4. Slide it in. Oh, I want to use this one. Slide it all the way in. And once it no longer goes, you're ready to punch. Spin it around, other edge. There we go. That one's done. Okay, this is the Just Jade, and I cut this at 3/4 of an inch by 3 1/2. So slide it through, wait till it stops, turn it around, get the other edge, there we go. And then the white, Whisper White, just because. And this is cut at 1/2 by 2 3/4. Get our little fingers in there. There's one. And slide it in. There we go. Oh, that jumped. Clean up. And now let's just adhere it. A flick. A flick. Right in the center. There we go. Oh, it moved. Okay. Now the Just Jade. Again, center that up. And last one. we go. We're not done. We need to add some bling. Remember, odd numbers. Some extra glue. I'll just tuck that underneath. Come on. Here's one. Two. And we need a third. Where do I want to put that third? These little gems are being feisty this morning. Let's add, not right there. Let's add, come on. Doesn't want to go. Ta-da! There you go. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Down below in the description is a list of all the supplies that I used. Head over to my Facebook page as well. The link's down below. And I have information on joining my team and having a great day. Thank you. Bye.